Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to organize your online shopping wish list using Airtable, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, it's time to create a new base in Airtable. Simply click on the Add a Base button and choose Start from Scratch. Now, why is this important? Well, a base is the cornerstone of your wish list. It's where all your items and their data will be stored. It's essentially your personal, editable database. Next up, we'll create our first table. Let's name it Wishlist. Click on the plus sign next to the pre-existing table 1. Type in Wishlist and hit Enter. Now, this is our main staging area. It's where we'll input all our wishlist items and keep track of them. Now that we've done that, let's create some fields. Fields are where we'll store specific data for each wishlist item. Click on the plus sign on the first column and add fields like item name, price, store, and link. The reason we do this is to have all the necessary details about each item in one place. Once those fields are set up, it's time to add our wishlist items. Click on the plus sign on the first row under each field and start adding your desired items, their prices, where to buy them, and their online links. This helps us because it gives us a neat and organized overview of our wishlist items. Next, we'll group our items. Go to Group on the upper right-hand side of your screen. Select Group by Field and choose a field, say Store. This helps us organize our items based on where we can buy them from, making our shopping experience more efficient. Here's a bonus step. Let's add some color. Click on the Record Coloring button, select by Select Field, and choose Store. This colors your items based on the selected field, making your wish list more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Finally, let's set up a view. Go to Grid View on the upper left-hand side, click on Plus, and choose Gallery. This gives us a more visual, card-based view of our items, perfect for those who prefer visuals over data. And just like that, you've organized your online shopping wish list in Airtable. It's a game changer, ensuring you have a seamless and organized shopping experience. Remember, the key is to customize it based on your needs. That's all for today's guide. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.